I like to make sure that people know about it because it's super duper helpful when you've got a presentation like this one where you want this bottom section to show all the time. Maybe you might have an RSS feed or a calendar or some sort of information that you want on the screen all the time. But then there's other content that you only want showing at select times. So for this, keep watching this space. This is another one that I've set for outside of 2 to 3. But this one here, I'm going to set for 2 to 3 p.m. So now 2 to 3:00 p.m. And then I'm just going to publish this. Now, what effectively happens is this is what the presentation looks like. This is what the presentation looks like all outside of 2 to 3 p.m. But 2 p.m. changes over to check out Professor Price's TED Talk in the top left. And this changes to that video that's going on in the top left. So I wanted to show this to show you that even if you don't need to use a schedule and just schedule specific presentations to show at specific times, that's one option, and that's a great option that a lot of people take advantage of. But with these zoned presentations, the zoned playlist presentations, you can also schedule stuff inside of the playlists themselves. So all of your scheduling can be done inside of the presentation completely.